Alright, what's up mga ka-G? So another G-Day here at G-Spot Auto Grounds. By the way, it's a night time na no. Kaya yun, ready na ang amo ang pang-ingress sa among B2B car show here at G-Spot Auto Grounds. So the venue guys is Santa Lucia Mall no, at bang sa Davao International Airport. So let's go. Si Glenn ang mag-drive sa white and si Martin ang mag-drive sa yaha, of course, the red. And kita ang mag-drive sa black G. Let's go. Yes man, see you there, B2B, Santa Lucia Mall. Ayun, rolling out nami. So black G is there, the white lady, and the Supremo red. Let's go G-Spot. Ayan guys, Martin for the red, Glenn for the white, and kita for the black. Ayan, let's go G. So ayan guys, we are now entering Santa Lucia Mall together with the crew. Ayan, dito ang mga setup and place and area. Okay, let's go inside. Diaro, ilaglayton dyan diba? Sheesh. So ayan guys, we're here at the place no. So yun, tapa na to sa Clayton ang atong pinaka-idol nga nag-influence sa ato sa car scene, Clayton Sanchez. Shout out nila boss Bobby Alba. Ayan, the white is here and the black G is here and the red is here. And of course guys, din may tabo kung walang pinaka powerful nga tao sa B2B Dres Davao. Pero kailan mo ani? Kailan mo autocrat? Ano siya? Colar J Gol, salamat Gol. Salamat sa kanunay pag-assist. Ayun. So let's go. So ayun guys, we're here na no, humanatag plus starting unit together with Martin and Glenn. So ayun, na to ang fill up form and dari na ta sa boot. Yes. Dara ba? G-Spot represent B2B car show Davao. Let's go. Ayan, dagan-dagan po gentry oh. Alright G. Okay. Yeah. Salamat ng marami. Claim stub man no?
Oo, yes boss.
Para sa freebies. Okay.
Dito ba siya kukunin yung freebies tomorrow
Okay.
4 PM?
Sige. Alright, let's go. Taramat. Call. Salamat kayo.
Hey boss.
Yeah, salamat sir.
Boss,
Thank you. Sige. Alright. Silvio. Ha? So ayun guys, all set na no. Naka-ingress na ta, plaster ng unit. And therefore, let's go back to the shop. Okay, mag-workout na punta. Bye-bye sa mudra. So ayun guys, we're here at G-Spot back no. Kay pumanatag ingress and all thanks to Glenn naman and ila Ken pre. Salamat ng marami. Oh. Thank you for the drive and sa paghatod sa B2B car show. So ugma na pod bakbakan. Ugma nang judging. Okay.
Naka 500 kami.
Yati. Sige. All right. Adjourned. Bro, salamat kayo.